Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are better. So let's start this video. This video is about tech category most used our today. Many people don't know how to use tech category in our today in our simple life. Okay, common life. So let's start this video. I tell you about tech category. This video is very interesting and helpful for you. So I suggest complete watch this video and remember to welcome my channel. Like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start this video. First of all, open the Chrome. Okay, then click here search word tech blogs, right? So already tech blogs right here, and search top 10 technology. Okay, top technology blogs in 2023 not open. Top 10 20 best tech website blogs. Okay, best tech blogs and website, the three best tech blogs. Open the three best tech blogs, click here. Okay, open the website. And the three best tech blogs, million of companies from all sectors. Internet, they use blogs, they try to be greatly present in social network design strategies and practice. Increasingly surprising cues to get you to click on their button. It is a race in which everyone struggles to reach the first. This happen in all business areas, food, fashion, automotive, or any service company, but also in technology, and perhaps it is more difficult in this sector since are the professionals who know better the sector. Surely you already know all the benefits that a blog can bring you and how to succeed with it. We don't need to insist on how important it is and the strength it has in attracting customers and to write publication. We must try to get better every day because our customers are fortunately demanding. Being aware of the best are doing while help us to get ideas. Okay, take notice and inspire us. We have made a selection for do you from the top three technology blogs. Do you want to know? First, our TechCrunch, most used website, Mashable, most used website, and last and third website, Xtaka. This website is very helpful for people. So video ended, and this I hope this video enjoyable for you. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.